In the procedure of lumbar puncture, the needle is inserted between which vertebra? A. L3 and L4, B. L1 and L2, C. L4 and L5, D. L2 and L3. And the right answer is A. L3 and L4. Lumbar puncture is a procedure in which a needle is inserted into the spinal canal between the lumbar vertebra L3 and L4. The main reason for a lumbar puncture procedure to help diagnose disease of a central nervous system, for example, meningitis and subarachnoid hemorrhage. The apex beat is felt at which intercostal space? A. Third intercostal space, B. Fourth intercostal space, C. Fifth intercostal space, D. Sixth intercostal space. And the right answer is C. Fifth intercostal space. The apex beat, also called apical pulse. From the birth to 3 years of age, the apex beat is located in the fourth intercostal space and gradually it moves into the fifth intercostal space with increasing age. What is the preferred site for giving IM injection to infant? A. Gluteal, B. Deltoid, C. Vastus lateralis, D. Umbilicus. And the right answer is C. Vastus lateralis. The vastus lateralis muscle is located on the lateral side of the thigh. Insertion of a needle into the pleural cavity is called A. Endoscopy, B. Paracentesis, C. Thoracentesis, D. Proctoscopy. And the right answer is C. Thoracentesis. Endoscopy is visualization of internal hollow organs. Paracentesis is procedure in which a needle is inserted into the peritoneal cavity to obtain ascitic fluid. Thoracentesis is procedure to remove fluid or air from pleural cavity of the lungs. Proctoscopy is procedure to visualize inside the rectum and the anus. The amount of moisture in the air is recorded with A. Anemometer, B. Hygrometer, C. Barometer, D. 6 thermometer. And the right answer is B. Hygrometer. Anemometer is an instrument that measures wind speed and wind pressure. Barometer is a scientific instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure. 6 thermometer measures the minimum and maximum temperature during each day. Local hot application transfer heat from the body by A. Radiation, B. Evaporation, C. Convection, D. Conduction. And the right answer is D. Conduction. Radiation is the energy that comes from a source and travels through space at the speed of light. Evaporation is the process by which water changes from a liquid to gas or vapor. Convection is the transfer of heat by the movement of fluid between areas of different temperature. Conduction is the transfer of heat through a direct contact. Selecting the appropriate size of Foley's catheter depends on A. Knowledge of any allergies to latex, B. The expected duration of catheterization, C. The size of patient's urethral canal, D. All the above. And the right answer is D. All the above. Choosing the right Foley's catheter depends on many factors such as gender, weight, age, urethral sensitivity, and patient needs. It may also depend on how physically active the patient. Tracheostomy is usually performed between which tracheal rings? A. Fourth and fifth, B. Third and fourth, C. Second and third, D. First and second. And the right answer is C. Second and third. Ideally, tracheostomy is making a hole between the second and third tracheal ring on the front of the neck, and a tracheostomy tube is placed into that hole to keep it open for breathing.